Success isn't about luck, it's about money mindset. Picture a world where billionaires aren't just lucky, they're shaped by a unique psychology. Their relationship with money is profound and deeply rooted. These successful people see wealth differently, almost as a tool to create opportunities, not just a goal in itself. Here's the surprising truth. 70% of wealthy individuals believe their financial success is directly tied to their mental attitudes. This isn't just a guess. Studies confirm it. Many think money brings happiness, but for the successful, it's about freedom. They invest in experiences, not possessions. While the average person may crave a new car, the wealthy often value attending exclusive workshops or networking events. This shift in perspective is powerful. Research shows that individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to achieve financial success. Their failures become lessons, not stumbling blocks. One defining moment. A study revealed that 80% of millionaires actively seek out challenges because they view adversity as a stepping stone to growth. This mentality doesn't just build wealth, it transforms lives. Consider this. Successful individuals spend 10 times more on personal development than the average worker. They know the more they grow, the more their wealth expands. Here's something striking. About 90% of millionaires prioritize setting and tracking financial goals. They treat their finances like a business, consistently reviewing their strategies to adapt and thrive. Strong habits emerge from this dedication. Wealthy individuals practice discipline in spending, often budgeting meticulously to save for investments rather than splurging on fleeting desires. The final revelation, cultivating a money mindset isn't just for the rich. Anyone can adopt these principles. It starts with changing your view of money and your relationship with success. Unlock the secrets of the wealthy and transform your financial future.